Today I have over 10 ideas for amazing home decor. As usual, they're from the wonderful creators at Etsy. Be sure to visit the Etsy website if you would prefer to buy one of these items as opposed to look at them and then make them. Give blank pizza boards a dash of style and use tape to mark off areas to paint or stain black. Attach a natural-looking piece of string to the handle and you have some fine decor, no longer suitable for the oven, of course. Use your best artist skills to paint some old vases into a new, updated look. How gorgeous! This plant hanger is easily recreated with some jute and a bit of macrame skill. We're not done yet, but I wanted to thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up because it really helps the channel. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, I publish videos about wigs, furniture, refurbishing, fashion, and all things creative and crafty, so go ahead and hit subscribe. And don't forget the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out!